Alright guys, in today's Canva tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert links into your Canva design. Now you can do this with lots of different elements or text. I'm just going to create a little button here and we need some text. I probably should just, can we just click? We'll just add a heading. I was about to be fancy, let's not do that. Click here. Or something like that. Alright, we're going to make it smaller. Click off so I can move it. It's not actually spelled right. Got it. Change the color, etc, etc. Now, in order to make this clickable, when you save it out, there's a little link button up here at the top, and you can just type in whatever you wanted to link to, the website. I don't remember if it'll work without the whole website. It looks like it did hyperlink it. You can tell when there's a link on text because it's underlined. You can also link things like the button or the rounded rectangle back here. Same way, you just type the URL in here. Somehow I'm always hitting my caps lock, and then you should be able to do it. The only thing I've noticed that this doesn't let you hyperlink is animated elements, because you have to save those as an MP4, and then elements like this where there's a neon on the text, that won't work. Like, it'll hyperlink it, but when you go to click on it, it won't actually do anything unless you take that effect off of it. Then it works. Once you have your links ready, you download this as a print PDF. Whoops, print, not standard, although I haven't checked if standard will work. Once it's downloaded, you can just open it up and then it should work. You can tell it's working because the mouse turns into a hand, and then when you click, it should take you to whatever website you linked, and it's really that simple. So I hope this helped you, and if you want to see any other videos, please leave me a comment below and I will take a look. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!